Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to adjust audio fade in and fade out in CapCut app. So let's start. We are now in CapCut app and we will import an audio file here. So I'm going to import any file here. Suppose I'm going to import that one. Okay, now I will fade in and fade out the audio. First of all, I need to click on the audio video file, and now at the right top part you can see here audio. Okay, now under the audio you can see here there is two options here, fade in and fade out. So I will drag faded option a bit right. Okay, now you can see here my audio in the video, there is fade in and at the last part fade out. So let's show you the difference between the fade in and fade out. So it is not normal. Okay, now I will do it fade in. Okay, perfect. So now let's see the fade out. Okay, it is in fade out mode, but I will remove it to check the differences between. Okay, now let's fade out it. Okay, now let's see the difference. Okay, this is how we can set fade in and fade out in audio in CapCut app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.